Welcome everyone to IWI's Sage X3 Quote Estimator overview demo. X3 Quote Estimator is an add-on for the sales quote transaction, which facilitates the estimation process for the sales department and makes precise price calculations based on the customer or prospect requirements. It suggests the price taking into account stock and labor margins, as well as user-defined extra parameters. All input and calculation is done on one screen. As you see, we allow seamless quoting on the fly. You're going to factor in your burden, your labor, your materials, all your subcontractor costs, as well as setup time and production time. Now let's jump into the product for a short overview. In Sage X3, let's open up a sales quote screen and create a new document. Now we're going to select site NA012 and customer NA001, and we're going to select the product FIN001 on the product tab. Now let's put the quantity of 1. Price is taken from the customer price list. Now let's make the estimation. The system takes into account standard costs tied to the bill of materials and routings for your parent products. So let's grab the materials from the BOM attached to FIN001 product. As you can see, we change the quantity of materials in the grid and then populate them in the bottom grid in order to be used for the estimation. The system already shows estimated material costs based on standard cost calculation. Next, we can take another product and populate its sub-assemblies or materials for estimation. And let's switch to Operation tab to calculate runtime cost of machines and labor. Again, we need to select a product or template. We'll adjust the hours if needed on the left grid and populate them in the bottom grid for estimation. Moving forward, we switch to the estimation tab, and system shows calculated suggested price based on the costs and margins for the materials, as well as machines and labor. We add extra costs and recalculate the suggested price, then populate it in the line on the products tab, print and send to the prospect. At this time, we'd like to thank you for your interest in IWI's Sage X3 Quote Estimator. And on this last slide, we'll just show you our contact information. We can be reached at 416-499-4821, extension 1001, or at sales@iwigroup.ca. Have a great day, everyone.